Hello and welcome guys on Creative Gardening. This is Murtaza and today I want to talk about top 5 tips for taking care of your house plants. This was a requested video by someone, so I think I will be sharing my top tips of success what I'm having with my house plants with you guys. And I have around with me this 4 house plants which are commonly used for house plants are Dracaena, Aralia, money plant, and this is a Sansevieria. You get this in various different heights and sizes, all these plants, but I love this plant the most because it is like very hard to kill this plant and it provides oxygen 24 hours. So this is the best plant according to me. Now jumping on the 5 top tips, what I have is like when you're going for house plants, make sure that you put your house plants in your sunniest spot in your house. Like it should get at least 2 to 3 hours of good amount of sunlight so that they can survive and they can flourish in that amount of sunlight. Don't keep your house plants in a room where you don't have any kind of source of light, or you don't have any source of ventilation. That will kill your plants in like very less period of time. So make sure you keep it near a sunny window or a place where you get some good amount of sunlight. The second tip I would like to give you guys is like use good potting soil for your house plants. What you put inside the ground is different from something you putting it in a pot. So if basically I use coco peat, vermicompost, neem cake and vermiculate and all mix of that potting mix for my house plants, because that is a very dry and that is not very dry, but that is very light and nice mix for your plants to grow and your roots to develop. So I like that potting soil a lot, so I would recommend you guys also to use that. But using the garden dirt inside this pot, I don't think it's a good option, because the roots tend to get tight in that, and when there's no water, it just sunkens and everything gets so tight. So I don't like that red soil. I like red soil in the you can use a part of it, but not the whole plant inside the red soil. The third tip I would like to give you guys is watering. What we tend to forget is like watering when we keep houseplants inside. Basically you need to water it in 2 to 3 days, but things happen like if you have a garden out, you just go out daily and water it. But if you're keeping the plants inside, sometimes you might forget. It happens with me. I have killed so many of my house plants. I'm really sorry for that. The fourth tip I would like to give you guys is like cleaning the leaves of the plant. What happens is like you can see a leaf over here which is covered with whole dust and all. But if we would have been keeping this plant in the garden, we'd be watering it with the shower, and it would be clearing all the dust on the leaf. But as we are keeping it inside, we cannot water it. Like it can just dirty all your spaces, like the water can be on your wood, and also we don't mist it daily. So what you can do is like you can take an old rag and some water and just clean the whole leaf, which will make it really very shiny. The fifth tip I would like to give you guys is fertilizing. Fertilizing is a key role in your houseplant growing section, because these things are in pots. So whatever you give it, it will have it. It does not have any soil reservoirs to take or get nutrients from, but what you give it, it will take that. So basically I use 19-19-19 water soluble fertilizer, because while I'm watering, I'm fertilizing as well. So it saves me from the extra step of adding that NPK balls, which you get 2-3 balls. You have to just you need to then till the soil and add some of that. But I think water soluble fertilizer or 19-19-19 works as good as this. So let me tell you about how I take care of my house plant and what is my schedule. It's like in week I divide in like from Sunday to next Sunday. What I do is like I go on Wednesday or Thursday, I gather all my house plants together and just water it in one place, and I use the shower. I take it in my main garden space. I just water it, and I clean their leaves with some old rag. Or what I do is like with my new shower, I have a mist setting on it, so I just mist it all over the leaves, and just I clean it with the rag, and that is all done. And on the next Sunday, what I do is, like, when I'm watering it, I use that soluble fertilizer in 19 So that is the way I do it. If you guys also like this way, you can use it. If you have any good other ways of taking care, do let me know in the comment section below. And I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and I would appreciate if you would share with I would appreciate it if you would share it with your friends. And if make sure that you leave a like below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.